Hello everyone, myself Yadav Nisha, on behalf of MS School. I am here to teach you EVS to class 4. In previous session, we learned chapter number 11, part 1. Today I am proceeding with part 2. I hope you must have watched part 1 of chapter number 11. So, open your textbook and open the page number 82 of your textbook. In previous session, we learned different type of plants like trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creeper, and where these plants grow, that we learn. Today we will learn about what is the use of the flowers and different parts of the plant. So let's proceed. Now we will do an activity given on page number 82. Let us look closely. Go to the garden, collect flower which have fallen down. Look at the flower carefully and tell, I have collected one flower. You can see here. Which flower this one? Yes, correct. It is rose. What is the color of the flower? What is the color of the flower? Red. And what kind of fragrance does it have? इसकी smell कैसी होती है? Yes, sweet smell. What does it look like? Like a bell, a bowl, a brush or anything else? So it looks like a bowl. कैसा दिखता है? Bowl जैसा. Now, do these flowers grow in bunches? ये flower bunches में यानी इनका group होता है? No. So we will write no here. How many petals does it have? In one flower, we can see around 40 petals are there in one flower. Are all the petals joined together or separate? We can see all the petals of the flowers are separate. Is there any green leafy structure outside the petal? We can see a green leafy structure outside the petals. इसकी जो petals है, इसकी जो पंखड़ी है, उसके बाहर क्या green structure देखने को मिलता है. So we will write yes. Can you see some thin structure in the middle of the flower inside the petals? Write its color. Can you see any green thin structure inside the flower? Yes, we can see a yellow thin structure inside the flower, in the middle of the flower. When you touch this, do you find a powdery thing on your hand? Will you find a powdery thing? Yes, we can. If we will touch the thin structure now, then we will find powdery thing on our hands. So we will write yes. Now, blooming buds means खिलती हुई कली. You must have seen birds on the plant. Observe the birds on plants which grow near your surroundings. We can observe a bird near the picture of a flower. What differences you find between a flower and a bird? क्या difference हमको दिखता है? The flower is a open structure and the bird is a closed structure that is given in the picture. Can you tell how many days will a bird take to bloom into a flower? How many days it will take? It will take approximately 4 to 5 days to bloom into a flower. A bird takes 4 to 5 days to bloom into a flower. Now, on page number 83, here we have to collect a bud of a flower and write its names. We have to write the name of the bud, from which plants we have collected that. Then we have to write the date, on which date we firstly seen this bud. जब आपने ये बर्ड को फर्स्ट टाइम देखा उसकी डेट लिखनी है. एंड व्हेन इट ब्लूम्ड इनटू अ फ्लावर द डेट इज, जब यानी ये फ्लावर में यानी कन्वर्ट हुई है तो वो डेट लिखनी है. फ्लावर में ब्लूमिंग हुआ है ये बर्ड का, वो डेट लिखनी है. देन हाउ मेनी डेज डिड द बर्ड टेक टू बिकम अ फ्लावर? यू हैव टू राइट द डे. in how many days it become a flower. Then ask your friend the name of the flower that they have seen. आपने जो फ्लावर का नेम, फ्लावर की बर्ड कलेक्ट की उसका आपने नेम लिखा. Then you have to ask to your friends about the flower that they have seen. जो फ्लावर्स उन्होंने देखा उसका नाम आपको पूछना है. How many days did it take their birds to bloom into a flower? और उस फ्लावर्स को भी, उस यानी बर्ड को भी फ्लावर में ब्लूम होने में कितना टाइम लगा वो लिखना है आपको. नाउ यूजेस ऑफ फ्लावर. In this table, some uses of flowers given. We will write other uses. Write one another example of all the things, all the flowers. Firstly, the question is given. as a food. Which flower what things we are using? Gulkan we are using as a food. And another thing, banana flower. Banana flower we are using as a food. What we will write? Banana flower. Second thing, as a medicine. As a medicine we are using rose water. And another thing we will write, that is the flower of गुलमोहर ट्री, that is used for skin disease. Skin disease के लिए जो गुलमोहर ट्री है उसके flowers यूज किए जाते हैं. Then to make color, here the name is given Vitrum monosperma, means kesudo or palash, that we are using to make color. Other flowers like rose and then marigold, that we are using to make color. Then next question is that in songs, here the lines are given. Flowers, flowers every day, where in the garden in my hair. So you have to write one more song here. What you are knowing about the flower, that you have to write here. Then next question, for decoration. For decoration we are using rose and other flower like marigold and then mogra, extra. Now for puja, means for worship. पूजा के लिए आप कौन से फ्लावर्स यूज करते हैं? सो वी आर यूजिंग रोज, मैरीगोल्ड, जैस्मिन, एक्स्ट्रा. देन फॉर परफ्यूम्स, मीन्स फॉर द फ्रेग्रेंस, विच फ्लावर्स वी आर यूजिंग? रोज, देन जैस्मिन. ओके, नाउ यू नो हाउ यूजफुल द फ्लावर्स आर. आपको पता चल गया कि फ्लावर्स किस तरह हमारी लाइफ में हमारे लिए यूजफुल है. नाउ डेज एट मेनी प्लेसेस फ्लावर्स आर ग्रोन इन द फील्ड्स. फ्लावर्स आर ग्रोन एट सो मेनी प्लेसेस. इमेजिन फील्ड्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स स्प्रेड आउट up to miles. How beautiful it is. We have to imagine. हमें क्या इमेजिन करना है कि दूर दूर तक फ्लावर्स का गार्डन है, फ्लावर्स फैले हुए हैं. नाउ लेट अस नो सम मोर. अब कुछ और जानकारी लेते हैं. हैव यू एवर सीन एनीवन सेलिंग फ्लावर एनीवेयर? हु इज सेलिंग द फ्लावर्स? यस, करेक्ट. अ फ्लोरिस्ट सेल्स द फ्लावर. ओके, इफ देयर आर एनी फ्लोरिस्ट नियर बाय, आस्क देम these questions and write. What are the flowers that they sell? They sell the following flowers: rose, marigold, then lotus, and then mogra, hibiscus, night queen, dhatura flowers, etc. Next question is that from where do they bring these flowers? From where do they bring these flowers? They are bringing these flowers. They bring these flowers from various gardens and from the nearby market. वो ये सारे flowers कहाँ से लाते हैं? So from the garden or nearby the market, from the market. Now why do people buy flowers? हम लोग flowers क्यों खरीदते हैं? लोग flowers क्यों खरीदते हैं? So there are many reasons for religious ceremonies, then various decorations, different type of adornments. हम अपने आप को सजाने के लिए like we are using that gajra of flowers ना, and then for making garlands and gifting as bouquet. So in this way we are using flowers, so we are purchasing the flowers from the florist. See here, in what forms do florists sell their flowers? Look at these pictures and mark against those forms of flowers that you have seen. As we all know, there are many various ways of flowers we are seeing in the market. For the garlands, as a loose petals, then for the decoration, and then bouquet, extra. So which things you need know now? There you have to put tick mark. Open the page number 85. Question is that have you seen any other forms of flowers than these? क्या आपने कोई दूसरी भी तरह से यानी फ्लावर्स के देखे सेलिंग होते फ्लोरिस्ट के पास? So yes, florists make garlands for worship, for religious ceremonies, and adornment for ladies from various flowers. They are making hair adornments from different flowers like from jasmine and then from rose, etc. Some flowers are used in different forms like rose and marigold are used in garlands and as loose petals too. हम लोग देखते हैं कि मार्केट में दो तरह से रोज या मैरीगोल्ड फ्लावर्स हम देख सकते हैं कि वो उनकी पंखड़ी भी मिलती हैं और उसके हार भी मिलते हैं. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द प्राइसेस ऑफ दिस डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स. आपको ये सारे फ्लावर्स की प्राइसेस यहाँ पर लिखनी है. सो वन फ्लावर इज इक्वल, व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ वन फ्लावर? अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5 रुपीज. एंड वन गार्लैंड मीन्स एक हार की कीमत क्या होती है? सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली इट इज 20 रुपीज, 20 to 30 रुपीज. And one bouquet, you have to write the answers in these blanks. For one bouquet, the price is around 50 to 100 rupees. Has the florist learned to make bouquet or nets of flowers from anybody? From whom? क्या आपको पता है कि जो फ्लोरिस्ट हैं, जो फूल बेचने वाले हैं, उन्होंने नेट बनाना फ्लावर्स की या फिर बुके बनाना किसी से सीखा है? So yes, florists have learned to make bouquet of a net of flowers from their elders. उन्होंने अपने से बड़े से सीखा है. And would they like the other members of their family to do this work? Why? क्या वो चाहते हैं कि उनके फैमिली का भी कोई और इंसान भी, कोई और यानी पर्सन भी ये काम करे? So why? Yes, they want. Why they want? Because there is a lot of profit in this business. इस यानी बिजनेस में बहुत ही प्रॉफिट है. सो the most of the florists would like other members of their family to do this work. I hope you understood the second part of this chapter. Remaining part we will learn in upcoming video. Thank you and have a nice day.